Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The HSC Coach. As we step into 2026, many freshers are confused about one big question. Which safety certification is best to start a safety career? In this video, I will explain the best safety certification for fresher in 2026, which course to choose, which one gives better jobs and which certifications actually helps in career growth. First of all, Happy New Year 2026 to all of you. A new year always brings new goals, new plans, and new career decisions. Many of you are messaging me and asking, Sir, which safety course should I do in 2026? Is NEBOSH still useful? Can fresher get safety jobs? Today I will clear all your doubts honestly and practically. Let me tell you one important truth. In the safety profession, degree alone is not enough. Companies don't just want educated people, they want certified safety professionals. Certification shows that you understand safety rules, hazards, and legal requirements. In 2026, if you want to enter safety, certification is not optional, it is mandatory. Many people think safety courses are only for engineers. That is completely wrong. Safety certifications are suitable for everyone: diploma holders, degree holders, supervisors, even workers who want to grow their career. Your background does not matter. What matters is your interest, discipline, and willingness to learn. Let's start with the most common beginner course, OSHA. OSHA is a good option for freshers who are completely new to safety. It teaches basic workplace hazards, PPE, fire safety, and accident prevention. But remember one thing, OSHA alone is not enough for high salary or international safety jobs. It is only a starting point, not a final destination. Next comes IOSH, especially IOSH managing safely. IOSH is better than OSHA in terms of practical safety knowledge. It focuses on how safety is managed at workplaces, not just rules. For freshers, IOSH is a good stepping stone, especially if you are planning to move towards NEBOSH later. Now let's talk about the most important certification, NEBOSH IGC. In 2026, NEBOSH IGC is still the gold standard for safety professionals. It is globally recognized and accepted in India, Middle East, and many other countries. If you are serious about a long-term safety career, NEBOSH IGC is the best certification for freshers. Some fresher ask me, Sir, should I directly do NEBOSH Diploma or CSPs? My answer is simple. No. Advanced certifications are for people with experience, not beginners. First, build your foundations, gain site exposure, and then move to higher level certifications. Now, let's talk about money because salary matters. Without certifications, your salary growth will be very slow. With beginner courses, you get entry level jobs. But with NEBOSH IGC, your job opportunities and salary increase significantly. Higher certifications always means better responsibility and better pay. Choosing certifications also depends on which country you want to work in. For India, IOSH and NEBOSH both work well. For Middle East countries like UAE or Saudi, NEBOSH IGC is almost mandatory. So before choosing any course, always plan your target country. Let me warn you about some common mistakes freshers make. Don't run behind cheap certificates. Don't do 10 small courses without understanding basics. And don't expect a safety job without learning practical safety. Remember, quality matters, not quantity. If you ask me for best roadmap for 2026, this is what I recommend. Start with OSHA or IOSH to understand basics, then complete NEBOSH IGC. Gain site experience, after that go for advanced certifications. This path is practical, safe and proven. The future of safety professions is very strong. Companies are now focusing on zero accident, ESG rules and strict compliance. That means demand for qualified safety professionals will increase. In 2026 and beyond, certified safety officers will always be needed. My final advice to freshers is very simple. Don't choose a course just because your friend did it. Understand the syllabus, recognitions, and long term value. Safety certifications is an investment in your career, not an expense. So, the final answer, Which is the best safety certification for freshers in 2026? Without any doubt, NEBOSH IGC. IOSH is good for beginners and OSHA is good for basic knowledge. Choose wisely and grow step by step. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the HSC Coach. Comment below if you have any doubts and about safety courses or careers. Once again, Happy New Year 2026 and I wish you a successful safety career.